Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, so guys, today I'm so super excited because what I'm about to share with you right now, okay, is something that can help you to get the sniper's entry in the market, and you can be able to use it to flip small accounts to bigger accounts in case you don't have much capital to trade. Of course, we all know that in trading business, capital is one of the things you need for you to make a substantial amount of money and be able to succeed and take care of yourself and your family. And with this, I'll be able to use this particular analysis to actually flip these small accounts to up to $500, and I also use it on cryptocurrency market as well. It also works on synthetics. What does this mean? It means that this generally work in all markets, okay, and it's called top-down analysis. So what's top-down analysis is all about is generally you analyzing from the higher time frame, okay, down to the lower time frame, okay. So as a day trader, you want to analyze from the higher time frame, like 4 hours or the 1 day time frame, to the lower time frame where you can potentially find your entry. And sometimes these entries give you the sniper entry, and with this sniper entry you'll be able to increase your reward, okay. It will increase your reward and reduce the risk, okay, the potential risk, okay, in which you are taking. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you everything, every step by step I follow to analyze the market using top-down analysis. The same top-down analysis is what I use to flip small account to bigger account, okay. And I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can combine this top-down analysis with strategy like demand and supply, okay. You can use it, demand and supply, combination of it, so you can be able to get that swing trading at a go and be able to scale up your small capital to bigger amounts. So in case this is the first time of you coming across this channel, all right, what you need to do right now, okay, for you to support this channel, help us grow, because as long as I'm concerned and as long as you are watching this, all the video that I'll be dropping in this channel, you're not going to be blowing your account, okay. You always stay profitable. So one thing you need to do right now is to click the subscribe button, okay, turn on notification bell, also give us the like button, okay, give us the thumb up, give us the thumb up, all right, so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many as possible. So go ahead now, click the like button, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting all the updates I'll be dropping in this channel. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the chart. Let me show you everything practical. All right, and I'm going to be using BTC USDT, okay. Like I say, top-down analysis, okay, generally work in all markets like stock market, synthetic market, crypto market, forex currency market. All right, you can use the top-down analysis to analyze all market and get the best entry, okay. Usually sometimes sniper entry. All right, so in this case I'm going to be using crypto, and the pair I'm going to be using here is BTC USDT. So here on this chart, this is BTC USDT. So as a day trader, what you want to do first thing first is to spot out the trend of the market, the bias of the market. Is the market bullish, bearish, or range? All right, is the market uptrend, downtrend, or horizontal market? Right, so first of all, you go to 4 hour time frame. Remember, 4 hour time frame, what we used to to know the sentiment of the market as a day trader. You can still use 1 day if you want. You can still use 1 day, and 1 day time frame on BTC, all right, okay. You can see the market is bullish on BTC on 1 day time frame, right. So you pick up your trend line and draw like this, and as you can see, it's touching more than what this lows, this swing lows, okay. You can see the swing lows. This is the confirmation that this BTC is uptrend, okay, not downtrend, it's uptrend, right. So this is first swing low, second swing low, and this and this. Now this is what you do on 1 day time frame, right. So you now go to 4 hour time frame for further clarification of the trend, the overall trend. As you can see, BTC, whenever BTC come to this trend line, it bounce off, right. Whenever it come to this line, it bounce off, going upwards, right. The trend line is going upward, right. So this already signifies that BTC USDT is still bullish. We are in the bullish trend. Now what you need to do right now is to basically map out the key levels, the key zones of this chart, of this pair. Map out the key zones, okay, just in case you have not or maybe you have not watched the video on where I explain everything about key zones like support and resistance, okay. Using support and resistance, the best support and resistance hack to trade the market. What you need to do is just check out this video, check out this video, okay, so you can be able to know how to use support and resistance very well. Just keep that. All right, so let's go here. So what we need to do here is to map out the key zones. Okay, so the key zones here we are going to be marking out is the demand and supply, right? Demand and supply, also called the major support and major resistance levels. Okay, now for demand and supply levels, we want to be looking at the psychological levels. Okay, of course in that video I explain every type of psychological level, so go and watch it. All right, so psychological level, the whole numbers. Okay, so on this, in this BTC chart, also I'll pick up this horizontal line, right? So I'll put it here. The whole number I'm looking at here at this level, at this major demand level here is 108,000, right? So 108,000. For further refining of this number, let me just click on it. I'm just gonna click on it and type in manually on this coordinate 108,000, right? 108,000. So as you can see there up there, this is the supply level, okay, which is the supply level, right? Supply level. So we can also call it major resistance level, right? Now what about the demand level? The demand level, all right? So the demand level, okay. So this is the demand level, and the nearest whole number to that demand level is 90,000, okay. 90,000, yeah, 90,000. That's $90,000, right? BTC at $90,000. $90,000. So let's have $90,000, right? So this is $90,000. As you can see, this is our demand level here. These are the demand level here, and the above is our supply level, also called the major resistance level. So what basically these key zones or key levels actually indicate, it helps to indicate the swings, the major swings high and major swing low of this particular market. All right, so as you can see, the major swings high and the major swing low here. This is major swing low, 1, 2. How many swing lows here? We have the recent one here. So we have the recent swing high at the supply level here. This is the recent one, and this is the previous one, right? So what you need to do now, since you already mapped out these stuffs, so what you need to do now is to go to 1 hour time frame to actually know the current trend of the market. Okay, we have already known the overall trend, which is bullish. So we want to know the current trend of this market. The current trend, current trend is different to overall trend. Okay, overall trend is bullish. Current trend is the particular trend of the market, maybe in 1 day, all right, or 2 days. So you go to 1 hour time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame, right, to know the current trend of this market, right? So the current trend of this market, as you can see, this market is bearish. Okay, it's looking bearish. The market is looking bearish. BTC is looking bearish from here. As you can see, if you bring out your trend line, internal bearish, okay, levels. Internal bearish levels. As you can see, BTC is kind of coming down to our major demand level. Okay, our major demand or support level. All right. So what you need to do, so we have already spotted that, okay, the current trend of this market is bearish, right? The market is kind of bearish. Okay, so as you can see it, BTC is giving us lower highs, lower lows, breaking structure to the downside, okay. This, so I've not mapped it well. So this break of structure to the downside. As you can see, this is the last break of structure. Okay, this is the last break of structure. This is also a break of internal break of structure here. This internal break of structure inside this 1 hour. So we are looking at here to also we are looking at the price to also break structure here, right? We are looking at the price to actually break structure here. But what is most likely to happen here is that the market is most likely to bounce on this trend line. But then what we are looking at is to sell, okay, or what we're looking at is to sell, okay, because the current trend is downtrend, and looking at the market, this BTC, okay, is kind of going down to this level, either to this trend line or to here. So we want to follow what this market is doing at the moment. So we go to 15 minutes time frame to find our entry, right? Sell entry. So within this 15 minutes time frame, okay, we want to actually look at the minor the internal or minor resistance or support levels there inside this 15 minutes time frame. We want to look at these minor levels, okay, and see how it's gonna go. So from here, these are our minor or internal levels. resistance level. This is our internal resistance level, right? So, and here is serving as a support level, but then I can still draw this like this. As you can see, I can still draw it like this, okay, to give me that this level clearly, because what we are looking at is to sell. As you can see, the market on 15 minutes time frame. The market on 15 minutes time frame is kind of retexting to the up, all right, pulling back to the up, right? So we want to look for our sell opportunity right here. So what we want to do now is remember, I'm going to, after this particular strategy or this particular way of finding your entry, I'm going to be sharing with you other one that's going to help you to scale up, right? To scale small capital to bigger amount, all right? So what you need to do right here is look at here, this level, at this resistance level. So we want to look for our opportunity here. So as you can see, this candlesticks, okay, so let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. So I can see that this market is kind of sweeping liquidity to the upside. So I can see this liquidity here. I can spot this liquidity here. Okay, I can also spot this here. So all these markets might clearly sweep all of these stocks out there, right? So I want to look at this on 5 minutes time. I want to be looking at this candle, this green candle as my potential entry. So what I will do, I will pick my rectangle tool, draw it like this, okay, and give it like, draw it like this, right? So, but it's kind of too big, like it's kind of too big. Let me color this like black, right? So as you can see, right, this is 5 minutes time frame. So let me color it like bright. Remember, this is our internal resistance level, which is also acting as a supply level. All right, so this is where the market is most likely to come and reject to the downside, right? Because we have this internal downtrend. We also mark out the trend line using our trend. As you can see the current trend. We mean the current trend of the market using 1 hour time frame. We use 1 hour time frame to know the current trend of the market. Now we've already mapped it out using our trend line, right? Using our trend line like this. As you can see, this is our trend line. Our trend line from here to here. All right. So now we want to look for sell opportunity right there. So I'm going to go back to 15 minutes time, 5 minutes time frame, because I want to find sniper entry here. I want the market to come and touch and start running immediately, okay, without exposing my accounts to too many risks, right? So if I put it this way, it's going to reduce the risk, okay? It's going to reduce risk like this because of this multiple liquidity that market need to swept here, as you can see, because of this low, this highs, lower highs here. As you can see, the market need to sweep all this liquidity, okay, before you continue the downward movement. As you can see, the market is currently pulling back upwards. The market is actually pulling upwards. So what I will do now is I will pick my short position and place it somewhere around here, and stop loss somewhere around here above. I will place my stop loss above the trend line, the internal trend line, because the current trend is downtrend. The overall trend is uptrend, right? It's bullish, but the internal trend is the downtrend, right? Downtrend, which is on 1 hour. We spotted it on 1 hour. So I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drag this. So remember, this is the risk, just 0.83% on BTC, right? So I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to drag this down to this internal swing low, right? To this internal swing low like this, because market still need to come over here and sweep all this liquidity, okay? Market still need to come over here and sweep all this liquidity spotted here, this liquidity spotted here. Market still need to come and sweep them. So I'm going to place my entry to the nearest, okay, internal swing low. not really nearest to the internal swing low as I've marked it out. This is my support, and from here it's acting as resistance, and this is my internal major support, right? So as you can see, the risk to reward here is 6.7 risk to reward, right? So if I am risking $100 on this account right now, okay, and the market trigger and peak my entry and start running to the downside, okay, I am going to be going home with 6 times of whatever I risk, which means $100 is giving me $600. So if I'm using $50, that's times 6.7 risk to reward, right? So it's actually a crazy analysis or crazy strategy that can help you to scale up fast, giving you high risk to reward ratio, right? So as you can see, I'm going to be making 5.29%. okay, so this is I'm only risking here is 0. My risk here is just 0.79%, right? It's just 0.79%, which is not you can even choose to maybe make the reward a round number by leaving it on 6.0 like this, so you can give the market more breathing space in case you want to go further up, all right, react to the upside. So this is exactly how to do top down analysis. So as you can see, the market will probably do this, consolidate like this, boom, and to the downward, right? So this is how to do top down analysis, and where I backtested this. Okay, find my entry is using 5 minutes time frame, right? So this is how you can be able to trade, and this trade can execute within 2 or 3 days. Okay, you can execute within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so that's just it. All right. So here as well, down below here, as you can see the major demand level here, so you can still find your entry here when the market start coming down. If there's a possibility of the market coming down, this place is also serving as my entry. Okay, when I place this trade right here, it will be also serving as my entry, right? So as you can see, I can choose on 15 minutes time frame long, so I can put this here because there's a possibility that the market might break this line, but that does not mean the market will now turn to bearish, except it breaks this level, this demand level, this major demand level here, by breaking this last higher lows. Okay, this last low of the high, right? So if the market break this, that means BTC is now kind of want to turn to kind of giving out that downtrend vibe, but hence it haven't done that and react to this level, is still bullish, right? So you want to give the market a breathing space like this. So as you can see, our risk on BTC here is 2.84, right? 2.84. All right, make sure your stop loss is below the previous swing low of this key level, right? So if you decide to long this market from here, BTC in $90,000 at $90,000, and take your profit at the swing high, the highest swing high of this pair. So you can see the risk. Your risk to reward here is 7 risk to reward ratio, which is a good one, right? You can from here you can hold this. Okay, you can hold this for like 2 days. If you're a swing trader, you can hold this like 2, 3, 4 days. Okay, and see what it makes. But the internal one I just analyzed is for majorly day traders, but here is if you want to swing. Okay, the second entry is for swing traders. If you want to swing, okay, you want to swing on this particular pair, that means you're entering here at the major demand level, and you can hold the trade up until you hit, probably reach or have the potential of reaching the full take profit. But this one inside the internal structure of this pair, which is still down bearish movement, you can take opportunity of the actions that is about to happen here and sell the market, and market starts giving you that that profitability you ever want. So I hope this makes sense to you right now. I hope with this video I hope it makes sense to you. I'll be able to analyze the market starting from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame, and just in case you learn one or two, just drop 1 or 2 talks, you learned in this video, if this video helped in any way, or maybe any problem you are having when it comes to trading and you want me to discuss it, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to get to the video as soon as possible. All right, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button to actually subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more and more content based on what crypto, forex and other financial trading aspects of this business. All right, so also don't forget to also watch this video on support and resistance. It can help you to understand much more better on what I explain here, right? It can help you to understand much more better on what I explain here. So just go and watch this video, and after watching it, okay, also drop what you learned. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you in the next